guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be raptoring this little baby. Now, as you can see, if you didn't check out my earlier video on this, we did a semi-raptor job on it. So we did bonded the kit on, raptored the kit, and raptored the bonnet and the bumper. Looked pretty good, didn't it? And we actually re-raptored the bonnet in full, because originally we did it with lines going down the bonnet and he didn't like it, so we redid it. Anyway, he's now decided he wants full Raptor, so that's what we're doing now. So back in the garage, I'm gonna do this stuff all over it. Good old Raptor. So he's had some wheel spacers fitted as well, because originally it used to sit, I don't know if you can see this, so if you look down the line there, originally it used to sit sort of inside the arches, the wheels. So if you look through there, you can see he's actually had some nice big spacers put on. You can get in there, there you go. See them big spacers there? So we've got 30mm spacers on the back and 25mm on the front. Although to be honest, it could have gone 30mm all round. But anyway, so what we need to do now, we're going to DA the full van and then we can Raptor it. So let's get doing some DAing. Let's get it all nice and scotched up and dusty. Right, let's crack on. Be wondering why am I sanding the bonnet again and I'm going to Raptor the full van? And the answer is simple. I want to make sure I get the same texture all the way around. So, and I want the same shade as well. So I'm going to restart all the bit I've already done and then just do the full van again. Puts a bit more work in, but the desired effect will be a lot better. Let's crack on. These make things so much easier. Right guys, van's all mashed up ready for painting. Got the Raptor. Tells you on the back, you get a little bottle of activator with it. Pop the activator in the top, give it a good shake. Usually they stay for about 2 minutes. And then we get the gun. Now if you're going to do it, get the variable nozzle. If you do it without the variable nozzle, they're a bit cack. So what they say to do is wind it in as far as it'll go. And then wind it out 2 full turns. And that should be the correct fan and give the right texture. And it wants to be done at 50 to 60 psi. Hence the reason why we have the air regulator on the gun. So let's get the roof painted. I'll do the roof first and then I'll work my way around. So let's go and get the roof done. Right, as you can see, job done. I'm actually pretty impressed with it. Looks a lot better than I expected it to. And as you can see, the texture is bang on, which is what we wanted. It's got a nice gritty texture to it. Perfect. All I need to do now is build it back up, and then inside the doors, as you can see, it's still silver. I'm going to matte black it. So that's my next job. So I will show you the finished result. But yeah, proper chuffed with it. Hang on. Right guys, there you go. Completed. Back together. Ready to go back. What do you think? T5 full Raptor. Gotta say, I liked it when it was half done, but I do actually prefer it like this. It does actually look pretty badass, especially from the back. That back end looks amazing. What do you think? Let's take you for a walk around it. It's looking pretty good, isn't it? The finish is spot on. I think he's going to be well happy. It certainly looks a lot better than it did in silver. A van is for life, not just for summer. What do you reckon? Let's give you a close up on the texture, just so you can see. It's got that nice, fine grittiness. That does look pretty damn sexy. So there you go guys, T5 full Raptor. What would I charge for a job like that? I reckon you'd probably be looking about 1,200 quid. Now this was done for a mate, so mate's rates, but if he was paid, I'd say about 1,200. Pretty good though, isn't it? Anyway, just thought I'd do you a quick video. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. Stay safe out there. T5 Raptor. Awesome. Bye-bye.